Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese out of milk. First, gather your ingredients: milk, an acid like lemon juice or vinegar, and some salt. You'll also need a pot, a thermometer, and cheesecloth. This simple method is perfect for beginners and yields a fresh, soft cheese. Let's get started with the heating process. To begin, pour 8 cups of whole milk into a pot. Heat the milk slowly over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until it reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, remove the pot from the heat and add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar. Stir gently for about 1 minute until you see the milk separate into solid curds and watery whey. Next, line a colander with 2 layers of cheesecloth and place it over a large bowl. Carefully pour the curds and whey into the lined colander. Let it drain for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing most of the whey to drip away. Once drained, transfer the curds to a clean bowl and mix in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This adds flavor to your fresh cheese. Now you can press the curds into any desired shape, like a small ball or disc. For a firmer texture, you can press it gently in the cheesecloth. Place your shaped cheese in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to firm up. Store your homemade cheese in an airtight container in the fridge, and it will stay fresh for several days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.